today we're going apartment hunting here in Thao Dien district to Saigon. We're going to go see at least 3 or 4 apartments today and see what we get for our money.
So we're not actually choosing to leave or change apartment. It's because our landlord informed us that he's having a lot of building work done. We've decided to take initiative and go to have a look at some apartments.
So let's go check out what's on offer and see if we like any of them. Available now, okay.
Oh, okay. Well, this is a nice space. You could move the sofa and style stations. Cool view. This is bedroom number 1.
But not really a balcony.
You want to really want to?
No.
Oh, you can see landmark. To be honest, it looks quite. It needs like. It's very old. You can see. There's some stains and the view isn't the nicest in this room. This is obviously the master bedroom, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, it's quite spacious.
And like,
this is a nice living room area.
Wow, no, the swimming pool is really nice.
Well, one thing's for sure, that's a pretty decent view of landmark behind us. But it is hella cloudy. We've got some more viewings to do. I think we've got to be a bit quick. Just check out the gym first. That door's seen better days.
Yeah, near the pool.
I think it's pretty good. I mean, it's quite spacious. As you said, it looks a bit run down. But the location is good. Have a pool. It's not a nice day today, but on a sunny day, this would be, you know, a great place to hang out.
Exactly.
So it's something to consider. We've got to run off and do another viewing soon now, so I think we're going to head off. So just as we were driving to the next apartment viewing, the heavens opened, suddenly started raining a lot. So we're taking some cover. We're near the address of the next viewing, but trying to ring the agent, we can't get through to them, so not sure what we're going to do. Hopefully we'll find it soon.
Yeah.
Nice weather for today.
Oh, 2 balconies too.
Yeah.
And how much is this one again?
Same.
Ah, cool.
Little gym space, yeah. Got another rooftop area. What do you think of this apartment?
Yeah, these ones were super nice and really modern and really new. The location is a bit far out from things, but maybe it would be nice and quiet.
Yeah.
Hopefully no construction.
Yeah, these ones look a lot more modern. The last one we saw, number 3, had a load of balconies. Not as spacious as number 2 or even number 1 probably, but the price is good too. Have a think, we could always do more viewings next weekend or soon, otherwise we'll pull the trigger on our favourite, I suppose.
Yeah.
Nice rooftop pool as well. Yeah, another rooftop terrace and a good view of landmark over there too. With some high-rise neighbours. Well, this one's got a really nice swimming pool and nice rooftop terrace over there.
Yeah, and a gym.
Yeah, and the gym, that was really nice. The apartment's a little bit smaller than some of the other that we've seen, but I suppose it's an option as well for the price. This last one has been 12 million and the other ones that we've seen around 13 million or a bit more if we do short-term rent, but I think we've seen a few good options today, didn't we?
Yeah, we did see a few. Again, this one is a bit north of Thao Dien, so it's a bit more out the way.
Yeah, our last few apartments have been in a bit more of an out of the way location compared to what we saw originally, but well, we've seen a few good options there. I think we got something to think about.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, I do like the pool in this one, I have to say.
Yeah,
This
pool is a nice touch over there. So this is the 16 million apartment.
Yeah, you can definitely put table to teach here.
Yeah, that
You can
one's
teach.
better space.
Move the bed and then you can teach here. How about in this bit?
Balcony.
Balcony.
Yeah,
This one. Master bedroom.
master bedroom.
Bath and shower.
Yeah, bathtub is nice. And how about you think about teaching in this one? I mean, the bathroom is big, but this is a big space here. To be
Yeah,
honest.
that's nice to have some sink. More outside space here too.
You could move the sofa closer into the room.
Yeah. Very nice rooftop. Wow.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Well, this place has got a really nice rooftop with an unbelievable view of landmark 81 behind me. It kind of gives me hostel vibes because it's got that kind of community. But for us to live here longer term, like the kitchen's quite small and there's no laundry in the room, only communal or pay for the service. So it feels a bit more like a hotel or a hostel for doing that. But still, it's a nice modern vibe, and that view of landmark behind me is pretty incredible. We just got home, so we ended up seeing a lot more than 3 or 4 apartments. I don't know how many in the end. 8, 10?
A fair few.
A fair few.
More than a handful.
That's right. We spent about 2.5 hours looking at different apartments. Some of the options we knew we weren't going to like, and some of them are contenders. I think we're just going to sit on it for a bit. We can look back on these videos and have a bit of discussion. The price for all of them was between 10 and 16 million. That's between about 300, 450 pounds. We got some good options. I think that was quite a good variety of the kind of things we can find in Thao Dien. We're looking particularly for 2-bed places around that budget in this local area. So we found some good options. There's a lot of apartments in Thao Dien, so
you won't be short on places to live if you need to move here.
That's right. So hope this was informative. You get an idea about the accommodation available here in Thao Dien in District 2, Saigon. I'm not sure if we'll make a decision. We might have to look at some more later. But in the meantime, if you want to find out more about this apartment that we live in now, you can check out this video up here, and down here a list of some of our lifestyle vlogs here in Vietnam.
So yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give it a big thumbs up, much appreciated, and stay tuned for more content.
See you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.